Guide on creating unbreakable passwords in 2025. As technology evolves, so do security threats. Let's confront these challenges head-on. Why are strong passwords so crucial? A staggering number of data breaches stem from weak security. Strong passwords protect your personal information. First tip, aim for 16 characters or more. Longer passwords are harder to crack, providing you with better security against unauthorized access. Next, incorporate a mix of characters. Combining uppercase, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols creates a complex and secure password. Avoid personal information. Many people still use names or birthdays, making passwords easy to guess. Stay anonymous in your security. Consider using passphrase. A sentence-based password can be both memorable and complex, perfect for enhancing your security. Never underestimate two-factor authentication. This extra layer adds substantial protection, making it far more difficult for attackers to access your account. Password managers can help you generate and store strong passwords. They not only enhance your security, but also keep your passwords organized. Establish a routine to regularly update your passwords. Schedule reminders to keep your credentials fresh and minimize risks. As we wrap up, remember these final tips to maintain your password security. Stay vigilant, never reuse passwords, and always keep abreast of the latest security updates.